guys, welcome to day 5 at the Lakme Fashion Week Summer Resort 2013. It may be the last day, but it's a day full of excitement. We have television channels here from all over the world, and of course we have Kareena Kapoor walking from the grand finale. But do not miss to see the show that is sponsored by Aircel, which is the Save the Tigers, where many designers have come together and put forward their designs. So let's check them out and get started.
मुबारकबाद होनी चाहिए एसएल को. I think it's a fantastic platform. It's a unique platform, and to see so many of us designers stand at a platform or an umbrella like LFW and come together and do something for an animal that was a dying species.
I think it's a very good cause and I wanted to associate with it. In whichever way we could support it, I have tried to do my best. I've created a beautiful garment for them, which you've seen on the ramp.
Simply Namrata, it's what I do, but the colors are completely different because they are inspired by the pop tints, which is the Lakme absolute statement for summer resort. So the collection is around that, which is new and exciting for me. It was extra excitement. She's fabulous and beautiful, and I really have enjoyed working with her.
Lakme's always stood for the traditional Indian woman, and when they decided to change the face of the campaign, they wanted to obviously give it a slightly modern kind of a twist with it, something a little more contemporary. I think pop tints go with me because of my skin, because I think that it's great. I like bright colors personally, to wear.
Indian men have been wearing band galas and jackets for many years. अब जाके थोड़ा हम लोगों ने उसको एक Indian flavor दिया है through our embroideries, through our textures. The soul definitely is Indian, but silhouettes are mainly Western.
की जो यंग लड़कियां हैं वो सिंपल हो गई हैं, तो वो जब पहनना चाहती हैं तो वो खूबसूरत कलर्स पहनना चाहती हैं, पर बहुत ज़्यादा एम्ब्रॉयडरी, बहुत ज़्यादा वेट अब चेंज हो गया है. तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट कलर, इट्स ऑल अबाउट कट नाउ, इट्स ऑल अबाउट बीइंग कंफर्टेबल, इट्स ऑल अबाउट enjoying yourself, enjoying the moment.
summer is all about pretty colors, fun colors, you know, and it's all about exploring new dimensions. You know, like something like this is so different and it's so new. Even I haven't worn something like this before.
Pallavi signifies colors, Pallavi Jaipur signifies, the flow of everything. So it was very important for me to make sure that my signature line maintains, and at the same time we bring something really creative on the ramp. When we said to Mandira कि मंदिरा मैं आपको बाजार पहनाऊंगी, तो एक बार तो आप हिल जाते हो कि ये कैसे हो सकता है. But your creatives have to go. You have to put it up in a very different manner where people love it.
It's got a burst of color in it. It's very floral, very embellished. I've used a very age-old technique of temple jewelry that exists in India, mainly in the south. So it's temple jewelry with a twist. It's got a skull in the middle.
All the pieces I design essentially are three-dimensional. Nothing is flat. Our body is not flat. It has to be pieces which are sculptural, which move on our body.
I really liked the piece that I'm wearing and the other pieces because they were 3D, they were sculptural, there were little hints of Indian in the patterning and in the jhumars and all, but yet it was so placed so Western that I could wear it with anything.
I try to reinterpret the Indian silhouettes. मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे कपड़े ना सिर्फ एक हिंदुस्तानी औरत पहने बल्कि एक पश्चिम सभ्यता की औरत भी पहन सके बिना घबराए कि मैंने कुछ बहुत ही आइटम जैसी चीज़ पहन ली है.
Well, we are here attending the Lakme Fashion Week. तुम्हें अभी ही आना था यहाँ पर. आ गई मटक मटक के, लचक लचक कर. रोल करो, रोल करो. रोल कीजिए. रोल कर रहे हो?
Can you repeat that?
चलो अभी शुरू कीजिए.
Sensitive.
कोई बात नहीं, आ जाइए, आ जाइए. क्लोज शॉट ले लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. देखा, देखा. चलो शुरू करो अभी काम. Well, we are here attending the Lakme Fashion Week. तुम्हें अभी ही आना था यहाँ पर. आ गई मटक मटक के, लचक लचक कर. ए थोड़ा अटेंशन पे करो, कोई मस्ती ना करो. Imagine stars. अंजलि तुम मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रही हो.
माइक के बिना बोलो प्लीज.
Sorry.
Face sparkle.
Imagine stars walking down the ramp looking beautiful in their collections and people clapping with great applause. But what can be a designer's biggest nightmare?
जूते फिट नहीं आए, ट्राउजर की ऑल्ट्रेशन ज़्यादा टाइट होगी. These are some of the nightmares that we have backstage. Model is ready, outfit गायब हो गया. So and this happens a lot backstage because helpers नए होते हैं जो मतलब हमारे लिए तो पहली बार हम मिलते हैं उन helpers को. कभी कभार मिक्स मैच कर लेते हैं तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Every show I have this classic dream where I see just one person sitting and clapping, and all my shows I've had that classic dream. I'm still trying to figure out who that person is, that the one only person who's sitting and clapping for me. The whole show is empty.
My fear always before every show is that I'm going to forget something which is so obvious that people will be like, how can you forget the jewelry of the show, the music of the show, and I'm going to forget something.
I always fear that I'm going to trip and my music is going to stop. This is my worst fear.
Lakme Fashion Week has had a successful 11 years in a row.
IMG Reliance showcases the best of fashion at Lakme Fashion Week.
Hard work, lots of excitement, 30C anxiety, and of course 30C party. That's what the Lakme Fashion Week is all about. Check this out.
Lakme Fashion Week has had a successful 11 years in a row. We always believe that fashion and beauty go hand in hand, and this event is a perfect example of that because we start with setting the trends as far as beauty goes, and we also have a set of incredible designers who set the trend as far as fashion goes, and therefore this event is growing from strength to strength.
IMG Reliance showcases the best of fashion at Lakme Fashion Week. As pioneers of Fashion Week across the world, we offer an unparalleled Fashion Week experience in India at Lakme Fashion Week, showcasing 50 shows back to back, running perfectly on time.
Been an honor to be asked to be the finale designer, and it's a great platform for emerging talent, for young talent, and I don't think I could have asked for more.
I have not studied fashion. I don't have any formal training in fashion. लेकिन a platform like Lakme Fashion Week, इतना बड़ा platform पे अगर आपको chance मिलता है exhibit करने के लिए, it is definitely worth it.
It helps you build your brand. It helps you reach to your customers, your press.
Tiger, king of the jungle. The day the tiger goes, we all go. So by saving the tiger, we save ourselves. Lakme Fashion Week is one of the platforms. We've worked with artists and the painters of India have come forward to create art which we auctioned. That was the last one. Today we've talked to designers and they've come forward so generously. There's Aircel, there's a tiger, and then there's you guys, and if that triangle completes itself, it'll be a better world.
Lakme Fashion Week Summer Resort 2013 was star-studded in a complete fashion extravaganza. The season ends right here, and this is Simi Chandok signing off, but see you again only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.